as far as you're aware, I am not awkwardly kneeling on my couch so that I don't have to stand here and show you what's going on over there. We're gonna fix that today. Hello, happy 2022. Let's try and make this a good one. This year it is my goal to live my best life that is not in complete and utter total disarray at all times. I don't know about you, but I'm quite a chaotic person, and I think the last 2 years have made it a lot worse. And I'm determined to find a bit more balance this year. I want to be tidy, be productive, but also I really want to learn how to rest. That would be nice. I don't think I have it in me, but I'm gonna try. So what I'm gonna do today is I am planning on getting prepped for the new year in the best way possible, and I'm gonna do a few things around my flat.
Before I get started on today's video, I just want to say a big thank you to today's video sponsor, which is Jimmy, and they have very kindly supplied me with their elfin projector that I'm really excited to try out and share with you a little bit later on in the video.
And without further ado, these are the things that I'm going to be doing to get prepped for the new year. And if you want to join me, I would absolutely love that. If you let me know in the comments if you're going to do any of these things, that would be great. Okay, so number one, the first thing I'm gonna do is take down my Christmas decorations, because I don't know about you, but once Christmas is over, I'm done. Actually, sometime before Christmas happens, I'm kind of over it. But today I'm just gonna pack up all of the decorations that I haven't already taken down, and I'm gonna do so responsibly. I'm gonna make it nice and tidy so that next December I'm not going to be ripping my hair out when I'm untangling my lights. I'll keep this short and sweet because you just saw me put them up, so I won't bore you with putting them all back away. But I've got a few really big containers that I keep every single year, and I fill them with decorations. I think you'll be proud of me because I used to have 7 of these and a Christmas tree, and I've narrowed it down to 2 boxes that I keep in London, and I think 1 and the Christmas tree that's back on the island with my Nan, cluttering up her under the stairs cupboard. Thanks, Nan. Appreciate it. All done. And in my defense, I did actually only think there was going to be 2 boxes, but maybe there's a bit more. My next plan of attack is to clean the flat and put everything back in its place and keep it nice and tidy. Let me know if you feel the same, but during December I find that I work crazy stupid hours and I'm always busy and I don't have enough time to really give my space a deep clean. So I'm going to show you just a little bit of tidying up here, but let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see a full deep clean with me in the next few weeks, because I think I would like to do that too. The books are back the right way round, you'll be pleased to know. I've missed them. Tidy flat, tidy mind. Now we can move on to the bedroom. What I really want to do in here is add a few things to make it feel a lot more cozy and homely, particularly in the evening. So, like we said, I can focus on having a bit more rest at the end of the day. So the old blind, which is tucked up there somewhere, is kind of musty. So this one's been sat in the hallway for a while. I'm going to see if I can replace the old one so I can use this for my projector. If I'm really lucky, I might not even have to replace the fixtures. The blind is up. I've needed to do that for a while. I'm glad it's finally done.
To make my room feel even more cozy and relaxing, I started by changing some of my bedding to softer pillowcases, and I also focused on creating soft ambient lighting by changing some of the light shades and bulbs. This makes me feel so relaxed in the evening. I love this Kappa's shell lamp that I found in a charity shop as it diffuses the light so softly around the room. And then to add to this, I had to light a few candles, of course.
This is a sunset lamp and I like to hide it behind things before I put it on. There we go.
This is what it looks like with the lights off, with all the lighting alterations, and now it's time to set up to watch a movie.
Okay, so this is my Elfin projector. It's a smart home projector and I'm really excited to try it and beam it onto the brand new blind. Let me open it. Oh, I love opening boxes like this, it's so satisfying. Ooh! Oh, that is really compact. I was not expecting it to be this small and compact. I am so impressed. This would be perfect to take on staycations. I love this. I'm gonna plug it in and show you what it looks like.
There are a number of ways that you could set up your projector, but what I like to do is set it up on my camera tripod because it makes it really easy to move from room to room and I can take it with me when I visit friends. I love how sleek and minimal the design of the projector is. It doesn't take away from my home decor or being able to watch the movie, which I really like. Speaking of watching the movie, the quality is great and the audio is really nice. The projector includes a Harman Kardon speaker, so the audio is really good quality. It also has intelligent screen alignment technology, so you don't have to waste loads of time aligning the screen manually. Despite its compact size, the Elfin projector can project a screen size of up to 200 inches at full HD without compromising on quality. It was so easy to set up, I had it up and running in minutes, and this is my reaction.
It's so clear. It's honestly like having a TV on the wall. The quality, I didn't expect it to be this good. With the lights off, it's literally like having a television screen. I had a projector before, but it wasn't like this. This was good. Ah, I love it.
If you're thinking of getting a projector for yourself and you want something that's portable and sleek and minimal, I highly recommend the Elfin projector. I'm gonna leave this linked in the description below if you want to check it out as well. Now, let's get to the next step.
If you're following along at home with me, the next one is my favourite. We're gonna do a mini declutter. You know I like to do a good decluttering around here. Now that I've downsized, I'm not as overwhelmed with stuff, but I do still find myself with like little piles of things that I collect. So I'm gonna tackle that today, and if you wanna join me, get a few bags, one for recycling, one for donation, maybe you can sell some stuff. Let's get into it. Okay, we've got just a small pile of things to be decluttered today. A bunch of frames that I'm not going to use in my hallway makeover, some old clothes, and a shower curtain which I've washed. I need to find something else to put all this stuff in because I want to keep the basket. Oh, and this curvy lamp. That's not too bad. Little victories today. If you're following along at home and you've made it this far, you can rest easy because all of the rest of this video is stuff that we can do sitting down. Now for the fun part, I'm going to write down all of my goals and my plans for the year ahead. I love to do this either on paper or digitally. I like a bit of both actually, so stick with what you like best. And once I've written down all my goals, I like to visualize it with a mood board. Having a mood board really reminds me to keep moving forward with my intentions from the start of the year, and it's really nice to look back on at the end of the year. Something I like to do is actually change my desktop background to my new mood board to remind me every time I'm on my laptop of what I'm trying to achieve. And actually I've been doing this for a while now and it really works. Whatever you're gonna do, put it somewhere so that you can see it every once in a while and it will trigger that memory. Maybe it will help manifest it for you, and I just really enjoy doing this, honestly. With the mood board done, I think it's time that I give my Notion a little refresh. If you're unfamiliar with Notion, it's a desktop and mobile app that is by far above and beyond the most exciting organizing app that you will ever use in your entire life. It's really helped me over the last year to sort of categorize all the things I'm trying to focus on It separates my different workloads. Anything that I want, I can categorize on Notion. And obviously the thing I like most is that you can customize it so much. There are a bunch of features that even I don't know about yet. But I wanted to show you what my Notion looks like in case it gives you a little bit of a push to download the app and get organized for yourself. It can be quite daunting to start with Notion because it's quite overwhelming. You want to make it all pretty. There's so many different layouts and things you can do with it, and it's honestly quite time consuming at first, but once you've set it up, your life will change. You can organize anything on Notion. So if you're worried, just maybe start by making a to-do list and start from there. Use it for a few weeks, see how you feel, and then make another page at a time. Don't make it this overwhelming thing, but I promise you, if you like organization and you're ready to move to digital organization and you haven't tried Notion, oh, you have to. It's changed my life, it really has. If you haven't done this for a while, here's a reminder to back up all of your files, especially your photos. I like to do this obviously on iCloud, but I also really like to have a hard drive. I am so neurotic. I have 3, and I'm planning on keeping one with backup of my photos at my nan's house and one with me, and the other one's just for excess YouTube video stuff. But I just don't ever want to lose my photos. So now is a reminder, if you haven't done it for a while, to do a good backup. I think that just about wraps up what we've been doing to get prepped for 2021. 2022, oh my god, 2021 never ended. Let me know in the comments down below if you've done any of these things or you've done anything else. Let me know, I could use some more tips. And if you like this video, I would be really happy if you told me that you did, because I used to do stuff like this a long time ago, but I really, I lost my mojo and I felt a little bit out of place, and I love organizing. I love doing this kind of stuff. So if you liked it, please do let me know and give the video a like. I'd be really happy and appreciative. And of course, follow if you haven't done so already. It's free. With all of that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Elfin for sponsoring today's video. Check them out in the link in the description box. And I think with that, I'm gonna sign out. So happy New Year, and see you next time. Bye.